Hi guys, so today we will demonstrate how to use photovoltaic system software as a decision making tool in order to implement the installations of PV module. First, select the PVsyst. The software that we will use is PVsyst version 6.76. Generally, this software contains several sections which are preliminary design, project design, databases and tools. First of all, select the database section. In this section, it is divided into two database information which are Meteor database and component database. So, for Meteor database, choose geographical sites to select our information regarding the sites. For the project, the location selected is at Kulai, Johor. So, choose Kulai and then export, click OK and then close. Okay. Then, for the component database, we need to choose the PV modules and grid inverter. Select the PV module and choose the manufacturer and model needed. For example, we choose manufacturer from Panasonic with 240 watt peak and 37 volt. Export and close. Then select the grid inverter and choose the manufacturer and model needed. For example, SMA model Sunny Boy with 7.7 kilowatts. Export and close. Okay. Click exit and then proceed to the second step, which is preliminary design section. In this section, we need to select our system, either grid connected, standalone or pumping. So we click grid connected. Okay, first select the site and Meteor to define our site location. Then click OK if our site is same as the database. Rename the project name. And click OK. Okay. So next, select the system required. First, define our array specification. Select the data existed, such as annual yield, active area or nominal power. For our project, we have defined the annual yield, which is 15.28 megawatt hour per year. Then, the plane orientation, either for tilt and azimuth. For tilt angle, we use 10 and azimuth will remain as 0. Next, in this section, for the system specification, we need to define our module type, technology, mounting disposition and ventilation property. For module type, we use standard. For the technology, we choose monocrystalline cells. For mounting disposition, we use flat roof due to our buildings and ventilation property is ventilated. Lastly, choose result to see the output of our product. The information that provided by this software are included global horizontal, tilted plane irradiations, module cost, investment, and also energy costs. Besides that, this software will give information regarding the economic growth evaluation. In this economic growth evaluation, it provides all of the costs needed, including the purchasing of equipment and maintenance costs. So, save our project, and then to print out the report, click Project Design, Grid Connected, and all of the information have been recorded. So, we need to run the simulation. Wait for a second, and then click OK. Save the project, and the report can be seen in the PDF file. So this is the report regarding the grid connected system of our project, and all the details are stated here. So that's all. Thank you.